Suckers! I'm not really gonna use the bathroom, I'm actually gonna flood the apartment by turning on the shower and letting the water overflow. Get ready to serve some.
What on earth is that? It sounded like water overflowing, and I think it's coming from the bathroom. Oh my goodness! The apartment is flooding.
Hang on, Carlitos, I got you.
Yippee! This is so cool!
Okay, Carlitos, just hold on. I'm almost there, it'll be okay. Okay, I got you. It's okay, Carlitos, I'm here. I'm gonna get you out of the water before it's too late.
CJ, we're up here. Hurry.
Okay, we're coming, Ronnie Ann.
Guys, if the water keeps overflowing, we're all gonna die. I wonder who could have caused the flood from the bathroom.
Ha 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 ha. Hi losers. What's up?
Kyle. Oh my god, you rotten wicked little boy, I should have known that this has something to do with you. Just you wait, you are so ground.
Hey kids, we're home. Oh my god.